Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to disconnect a Ford Fusion battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing appropriate gear like safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your Ford Fusion is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set to prevent any accidental movement. This initial preparation is crucial for a safe and smooth process. Always double-check these steps before you begin working on the battery. Now, let's find that battery. For many Ford Fusion models, you'll find the battery conveniently located in the trunk, while others have it in the engine compartment. Simply open the trunk or hood and carefully lift the carpet or the designated floor panel to reveal the battery compartment. Sometimes, there might be a small retaining bracket holding it in place, which you can usually remove with a 10mm wrench. Take your time to locate it clearly. With the battery exposed, it's time to disconnect. Always start with the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign and has a black cable. Use your wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable and ensure it doesn't accidentally touch any metal parts. After that, proceed to the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable, and disconnect it in the same manner. To reconnect, reverse the order. Attach the positive terminal first, then the negative. Make sure both connections are snug and secure to prevent any issues. Double-check that everything is properly tightened before closing up the trunk or hood. And hey, while you're working hard, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.